Welcome to this brief introduction to Map the System 2023. You may be wondering, what is Map the System? This introductory video is aimed to introduce this global competition. It starts with the background of the Map the System, continues with an overview, eligibility criteria for participants, and some statistics from previous years, and finally ends with key dates and deadlines. My name is Ilham Mohammadi, and I will be your campus lead for this year's Map the System competition. I am currently a PhD candidate at University of Waterloo, and I have been a previous participant in the Map the System 2022. To give you some background of this competition, Map the System was initiated in 2015 and designed to change the conversation in social impact education, to move from an overemphasis on the heropreneur and new solutions toward a focus on a deep understanding of complex problems, and designed as a foundation for driving transformational change. Now let's see what is Map the System. Map the System is a global competition run by the Skoll Center for Social Entrepreneurship at Oxford University in partnership with universities and post-secondary education institutions around the world. In this competition, participants use system thinking as a guiding approach for understanding some of the most complex social and environmental issues facing the world today. It encourages deep exploration of particular problem domains using a learning-first approach that emphasizes integrated knowledge production. Thus, instead of proposing premature solutions to the problems or situations we do not fully understand, in the Map the System journey, we learned that tackling global challenges should start with understanding a problem itself and its wider context. What then is the goal of this competition? Firstly, the hope is that by participating in Map the System, you will better understand both your chosen challenge as well as the systems analysis practice, an important 21st century skill. The purpose is to illuminate complex problems and is to encourage novel forms of sense-making of these challenges. Secondly, the goal is to shift ingrained cultures toward increasing levels of depth, holism, and accountability. And thirdly, the goal is to inspire viable systemic alternatives. Additionally, the hope is that you will be able to put those skills to use in future high-impact careers of your choosing. What do you stand to gain from this journey? You get to join a global movement committed to systems change. You get to compete for cash prizes, and you may find opportunity to present to a global audience. You will learn new skills and tools that can be used to address the world's most pressing issues. There would be great opportunity to raise awareness about an issue you are passionate about. Also, you will get to meet and collaborate with people from other disciplines. And finally, you will connect with socially conscious students, researchers, and practitioners across Canada and the world. Here are some statistics of the last year's competition. More than 950 teams registered globally in the Map the System 2022. The teams represented 21 countries and 64 institutions. Also, it's a pleasure to inform you that this would be University of Waterloo's 5th contribution in this outstanding global competition. To be eligible for this competition, you only need to be a current student or recent alumni from a registered Canadian partner institution, such as University of Waterloo. You can be at any level of study, whether to be undergraduate, diploma, postgraduate, or doctoral level studies. And you can form a team of anywhere from 1 to 6 members, depending on your preferences. You may wonder how much time should be budgeted for the interview. The budgeted time may vary somewhere between 20 to 50 hours per member, given the scope of your topic and the size of your team. Participants will spend few months diving deep into a social or environmental topic they are passionate about. Here you can see some examples of past topics, including human trafficking, financing for home ownership, food security, and water access. If you are not sure about your topic, get in touch with me and we can discuss it. Also, it's interesting to know that in 2022, the teams from 21 countries explored various topics in 5 continents. Are you ready to present yours next year? In terms of the timeline, a student registration for Map the System will open on November 1st, 2022 and will end on January 31st, 2023. The deadline for the first submission round would be in early April, where teams will submit their written and visual deliverables as well as the detailed bibliography. Then our local finals will be held around mid-April, and one team per institution will advance to the semi-finals. The semi-finals will be held in May. 2 to 3 online events will take place, showcasing all of the incredible work from each institution. There will be a judging panel, and 15 to 20 teams will be selected to advance to the global final. Then selected teams will have the opportunity to revise and submit their deliverables by mid-June. Global final event will be held in person in early July. Teams selected at semi-finals will go to Oxford to present their systems map and compete for prizes and awards. All finalists will be given feedback by the judges, who have expertise in systems analysis and systems change. This event provides a great opportunity for finalists to build their connections with socially aware students, educators, and innovators from across the world. If you are interested in participating or learning more about this competition, feel free to reach out to me, your campus lead at Map the System, or visit the U Waterloo Map the System website, where you can find all the information you need. Also, feel free to visit Map the System Canada website. For more updates and news about the competition, follow the Center for Peace Advancement Twitter. I hope you can join us this year to explore, probe, and research the issues that matter to you and share your findings with the world. Wishing you all the best in the competition or your other endeavors.